Hello, my dear friends and students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, today in this video, I am going to train the beginners for the basic Excel shortcuts and tricks. So, please do watch this video till the end and let me know in the comments how do you find this video. So, let us start.
So we will see the shortcut keys one by one, which are very useful. So let us see the first shortcut, which is Control A, which is used to select all the data in your sheet. So let me do Control A. So as you can see, the entire sheet will get select. Next is Control B. It's very simple to remember as well. B for bold, and you can do Control B. Let me select the cells. So I've selected here 4 cells and pressed together Control and B, so you can see the font has become bold. So our next command is Control C, which goes well with Control V. So Control C is used to copy and Control V is used to paste. So let me copy the copy word. So I'm going to press Ctrl C together, and you can see the blinking lines around the cell, and I'm going towards the paste cell and I'm going to press together Ctrl V, and you can see the word paste has disappeared and you have copied the word copy from that cell. It's so hilarious, right? So okay, so our next is Ctrl plus D, which is used to fill down the data. So let me go to the go to cell, and if I press Ctrl D, let us see what will happen. Okay, so the previous cell had the word find and this cell also have the word find. That means it is filling down the cell with the previous word. Next we'll go to Control F, which is used to find a word. Okay, so I'll do Control F. That's so easy to remember as well. Control F will give you chance to find some word. So I'm finding here the word file. I'll do find next. So can you see here the cell has got highlighted, so here the word file is there. That is what the command is saying. So we'll close this, and again we'll do Control F. Let me show you one more thing. If I do Control F and find next, you can see here the word file and new is there, and the cell is highlighted in green border. If I again do find next, it will show the next cell where the word file is there. If I do again find next, you will find the next cell where the word file is there, and if you keep doing, it will show you all the cells where you have that word file. Okay, so let us close this. So I hope you got the shortcut key Control F. Now we'll go towards Control G, which is to go to, which we'll see later on. Now we'll see Control H. So if you want to replace some word by some other word, then you can use Control H. So let me press together Control H. Okay, so I'm putting the word print and replace it with delete. Okay, so again we'll do find next. As you can see, the word print cell is got highlighted, and if we press replace, just carefully observe the word print will get replaced by the word delete. Can you see here? Okay, fine. We'll close this. I hope you've got it. Again we'll do Control H. Wherever the print word is there, we'll replace it by delete. If you press this once and press replace once, print appears first, will get replaced by delete. if you press find all, then it will find all the words of print and it will replace print by delete everywhere. And if you keep pressing on find next, so you can find literally the word print and you can get it replaced by delete. So for now I'm getting it closed. And the next is Control I, which is italic, I for italic, so it's easy to remember as well. So I'm selecting here some cells and pressing Control I. You can see the font has become in italic format. Next is Control K and the next is Control N. We'll watch out these two shortcuts in our next video. We'll move towards Control O, so it is used to open some of your recent Excel sheets. So I want you only to use this command, use this shortcut and tell me how it functions and let me know in comment section. Next is Control P, which is used to print your Excel sheet. So if I press Control P, we will see about Control P in our next video. For Control R, it is telling us it functions as fill right. So let us select the cell and do Control R. So what you observe, yes, whatever is there on the left cell, it will get copied to your next cell, which is on the right side. Next is Control S, which helps us to save the document, save the Excel sheet. So if you want to keep saving whatever the changes you are making, then just press Control S together. It will save the changes you are doing. Next is Control U, which is used to underline the font. So let me select some cells and do Control U. So as you can see, the words are getting underlined here. Next is Control W. We have already seen about Control V, which is used to paste. So I've already explained about how to copy and how to paste. Next is Control W. I'll not do this for now, otherwise my video will get closed. So just do it, guys, and tell me in comment section what will happen if you do Control W. Let me know. Next is Control X, which is used to cut. It is also used to edit. For now I am not cutting this cell, but I am editing. So if I do Control X, you can see blinking line. It means the cell is getting highlighted and you can edit the cell, right? So whenever you are doing some table work, you're putting something into a table, then you can press Control X to delete some row or some column. Okay, so this is what the use of Control X. Next is Control Y. We'll see about this in our next video. And next is Control Z, which is used to undo the things. So what is the use of Control Z here? It is used to undo the things, whatever things you have done. If you wish you don't want that changes, then you can go back to the previously done work. So you can use undo here. So you can press undo many times, but there is some limit to use it. Now there are some function keys F1 to F12, so out of which we are using some of the keys like F5, which is very important to go to some link, but I'll explain you in some other video. Next is F7, which is quite useful. If you press F7, so as you can see, there is a spelling check icon window pop up. So and the next important function key is F12, which is used to finally save your document under some name. So this is quite helpful. Next, shortcut keys are not much in use for the teachers because it is also hard and difficult to remember. So I guess we are done with some important shortcuts. If you have any doubt regarding this shortcut keys and if you are not able to perform, just let me know in the comment section. I am happy to help you anytime, and in the next video I'll surely include the solution of your doubt. So yes, thanks for watching my video.
See you in the next video. Please do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.